the three basic needs of our life: food, shelter, and clothing, right? Similarly, for your financial life also has three crucial requirements: SIP, term plan, and health insurance. SIP helps you to fulfill your long-term dreams, like ensuring higher education of your kid in good college, a grand wedding for your daughter, peaceful retirement life, buying a car, etc. And if you start an SIP in the ELSS funds, it also helps you to save tax as an added benefit. Term plan ensures that in the event of an unfortunate death of the breadwinner, his family's financial future remains safe. Every earning member must buy term insurance with a sum assured of at least 15 times of its yearly income. Health insurance saves your savings against any hospitalization expenses. Health insurance is a must for all the family members. Ideal way of buying the health insurance policy is to buy one normal floater policy and add a super top-up policy to get higher coverage at lower expense. Call us now to know more about the suitable products. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.